Hello everyone, this is Catherine, known as Kerr Avenson, and I'm going to show you this lovely crochet join which I created because I wanted to make this lovely shawl which had these tubes of knitting, and I wanted the join to be a feature. So I've called this the chained chain join. Now I have two little swatches here just to give you an example. I will join them. They have the same number of stitches. That's basically all you need. It doesn't really matter whether there's an odd number or an even number of stitches. So, and I have a 6mm hook, and this is Lincraft Super Soft, and you'll notice it is thinner than the original chunky yarn. I like doing it that way because it's, if you do it with very thick yarn, it gets like oversized and ugly. So I devised this after a number of experiments. What am I doing? Let's do it this way. No, let's not do it this way. Trying to find a way that was simple and that would work. So this is simple and it works like this. Make a slip stitch, use your hook and attach this with a slip stitch and do a single crochet. Then we do a lot of chains. I'm going to do 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Then we do a single crochet in the first stitch of the other piece. And then you do another single crochet in the next stitch. Don't forget to do the second one, it can be easy to forget. Then you do 12 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then you go back to the first, as long as you don't actually lose your crochet hook. You go back to the first piece and you do a single crochet into the next stitch. Join them back. So you have a chain of 12, a single crochet, another single crochet, another chain of 12, another single crochet, and you do a second single crochet in the next stitch. Don't forget the second single crochet. Then you do 12 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, come on. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then you do a single crochet in the next stitch on the piece you want to join. Have I got that in properly? No, I don't. Come on. There you go. A single crochet, and then another single crochet into the next stitch. Don't forget the second single crochet. And we keep doing that, going back and forth until 2 or 3 stitches from the end. And I'll come back and see you when I'm closer to the end. And here we are nearer to the end. I'm about to do 12 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then we do a single crochet in the next stitch on the joining thing. Right. Now a little trick. Make sure that chain is behind your crochet hook. That makes it easier to do the single crochet because it won't be in the way. And then I didn't put it through properly. Come on. Both stitches. Come on, come on, come on. And then the next stitch, and 1, 2, 3, possibly 4 left. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And a single crochet. And how many stitches do we have left? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, leave 3. And get yourself a stitch marker. So we hold that stitch with a stitch marker because now we're going to do the braiding. So what we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pairs of chains. So you have to make sure that you have pairs of them, because we are doing our chaining with pairs of chains. So what you do is you take your pair of chains and you twist it. That's the first one. And then you take the next pair of chains and you twist them and put them through the first chain. You hold that and you get the next pair of chains, just 2 of them, and you twist them and you put it through like that. Pair of chains, twist them. You have the hole for the previous one. You push that through, pull that out, and you have your next loop. Twist and pull through, next pair, twist and pull through. Now the reason why I'm doing this in pairs of chains rather than long bits of single crochet is basically it was easier to make the chains. I did try. Okay, so we have this, and the reason why we left 3 stitches is because that is going to be taken up by the last chain. So what you have to do is be careful. Undo your stitch marker, get your stitch, and then do the next single crochet, and then also do it, lift this up, do it through that last loop. So that's 1 single crochet, and then again next single crochet and do it through the loop as well. And then a 3rd single crochet, don't do it through the loop, just do it, and then we go across. So 1 single crochet into the loop, another single crochet into the loop, and then you'll see the loop below, right? So what we do is we do a double crochet into the loop below. So that's there. You take, where are we? That's the loop above, this is the loop below. And a double crochet into the loop below, so that just kind of pulls it up and fills it out. Then 2 more single crochets into the end loop, and then we do a single crochet into the other one, and then 2 more single crochets to mirror what we had on the first side. And then you can do a couple of slip stitches to get it back to the edge if you want. Okay. Yeah. So now you have your chained chain. You can pull that and then pull that again just to sort of even it out. So that is how you do the chained chain join. You have this nice braid and it's all joined. So I hope you find that useful, and I'll see you in the next video.